Are you a small business owner, a freelancer juggling invoices, or perhaps a burgeoning e-commerce entrepreneur staring down a mountain of financial data, and you found yourself wondering which flavor of QuickBooks is actually going to make your life easier, not harder? Let's be honest. Wading through the different QuickBooks options can feel like trying to decipher a secret menu. You've got online, desktop, self-employed, plus, advanced. The list goes on. It's enough to make anyone's head spin. And choosing the wrong one? Well, that can lead to wasted money, frustrating limitations, and a whole lot of unnecessary headaches when tax season rolls around. But don't worry, you're definitely not alone in this. Millions of business owners have stood exactly where you are right now, scratching their heads and wondering, what's the best QuickBooks version for me? Think about it for a second. Your business is unique. The way you operate, the services or products you offer, your growth plans, all of these are distinct to you. So, it makes perfect sense that a one-size-fits-all accounting solution probably isn't going to cut it. You need something that aligns with your specific needs, your current scale, and where you envision your business heading. Imagine trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. That's what it can feel like when you're using accounting software that doesn't quite match your business. You end up with workarounds, manual processes, and a system that feels more like a burden than a helpful tool. That's why today we're going to cut through the confusion and help you find your perfect QuickBooks match. We'll break down the most popular versions, highlight their key features, and discuss the types of businesses they typically serve best. By the end of this video, you'll have a much clearer understanding of which QuickBooks option will empower you to take control of your finances, streamline your operations, and ultimately, make smarter business decisions. So, grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and let's demystify the world of QuickBooks together. Let's start with the basics. QuickBooks primarily offers two main platforms: QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks Desktop. Within these platforms, there are different subscription levels, each designed with a specific user in mind. QuickBooks Online, QBO, is the cloud-based version, accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. This is a huge advantage for many modern businesses that value flexibility and collaboration. Within QuickBooks Online, you'll find plans like QuickBooks Self-Employed. This is the most basic and affordable option, specifically designed for freelancers, independent contractors, and sole proprietors. It focuses on tracking income and expenses, organizing them for tax purposes, especially Schedule C filers, and estimating quarterly taxes. It often integrates with popular gig economy platforms. If you're driving for a ride-sharing service, offering freelance writing services, or running a small online shop as a side hustle, this might be your starting point. However, it has limited features for more complex business structures or those needing robust inventory management or payroll. QuickBooks Online Simple Start. Moving up a notch, Simple Start is designed for small service-based businesses. It allows you to track income and expenses, send invoices and receive payments, track sales tax, and run basic reports. It's a good fit for consultants, small repair services, or businesses with straightforward income and expense tracking needs. It introduces invoicing and basic reporting that self-employed lacks. QuickBooks Online Essentials. This plan builds upon Simple Start by adding the ability to manage bills and pay vendors, track time, and have multiple users, up to 3. This is a popular choice for growing small businesses that need to manage payables and have a small team. If you're a small marketing agency or a local service provider with a few employees, Essentials could be a great fit. QuickBooks Online Plus. This is a more comprehensive option suitable for small to medium-sized businesses. It includes everything in Essentials plus inventory tracking, budgeting tools, project profitability tracking, and the ability to have up to 5 users. If you sell products, need to manage stock levels, or want to track the profitability of specific projects, Plus offers the features you need. E-commerce businesses or small construction companies often find this version beneficial. QuickBooks Online Advanced. This is the most robust QuickBooks Online plan, offering features like advanced reporting and insights, batch invoicing, custom user roles, and priority support. It can accommodate up to 25 users and is designed for growing businesses with more complex needs. If you have multiple departments, require detailed analytics, or need more granular control over user permissions, Advanced is worth considering. Now, let's shift gears to QuickBooks Desktop. Unlike the online version, QuickBooks Desktop is installed directly on your computer. While it might seem less flexible in terms of accessibility, it offers powerful features and can be a preferred choice for businesses with specific industry needs or those who prefer to keep their financial data on their local systems. The main desktop versions include QuickBooks Desktop Pro Plus. This is the entry-level desktop version, suitable for small businesses. It offers core accounting features like invoicing, bill management, bank reconciliation, and basic reporting. It can handle inventory and offers more advanced reporting capabilities than the lower-tier online plans. QuickBooks Desktop Premier Plus. Building on Pro Plus, Premier Plus offers industry-specific editions like contractor, manufacturing and wholesale, nonprofit, professional services, and retail, with tailored features and reports. It also includes features like sales, order tracking, and forecasting tools. If your business operates within one of these specific industries, the tailored features can be a significant advantage. QuickBooks Desktop Enterprise. This is the most powerful desktop version, designed for larger and more complex businesses. It offers advanced inventory management, job costing, pricing rules, and the ability to handle a large number of users. It also offers more robust reporting and customization options. Businesses with significant inventory, complex project costing, or a large workforce often opt for Enterprise. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.